What if a compact city van could transform into a full-featured, comfortable camper that's ready for weekend adventures and urban escapes? Today, we're diving into the 2026 Ram ProMaster City Camper, a vehicle that proves big things come in small packages. Welcome back to Motorhome Hub, where we explore concept and real-world motorhomes in detail. The ProMaster City Camper combines the agility of a compact van with clever interior engineering, making it perfect for solo travelers, couples, or small families who crave flexibility without sacrificing comfort. From the outside, the 2026 Ram ProMaster City Camper maintains the recognizable Ram ProMaster silhouette, but adds subtle, purposeful upgrades for camper life. Sleek roof rails accommodate solar panels and storage racks, while the side and rear doors feature reinforced hinges and easy-access handles for camping gear. Compact aerodynamic body lines enhance fuel efficiency, and a retractable awning on the passenger side creates instant outdoor living space. The exterior also includes LED lighting strips for safety and ambiance, rugged all-weather tires, and optional mud flaps for off-road excursions. Despite its smaller footprint compared to full-size RVs, this camper is ready for adventure in urban streets or backcountry roads. Step inside, and the interior demonstrates clever space optimization. The rear area is fully modular, with foldable benches that convert into a comfortable sleeping area. Cabinets and drawers are crafted with lightweight yet durable materials, making storage both functional and stylish. A compact kitchenette sits along one wall, featuring a mini induction cooktop, a 12V refrigerator, and clever pull-out surfaces for meal prep. Every inch of interior space is thoughtfully designed to maximize usability without feeling cramped. The ProMaster City Camper also includes intelligent tech integration. Energy-efficient LED lighting, dual battery management, USB and AC charging ports, and a control hub for climate and lighting systems provide comfort on the go. Optional rooftop solar panels and a lithium battery pack allow off-grid operation for several days, making it a true self-contained microhome. Under the hood, the standard 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers responsive city driving and capable highway performance. Front-wheel drive provides tight maneuverability, while optional all-wheel drive models increase versatility for light off-road conditions. Despite its small size, the ProMaster City Camper is engineered to handle both city streets and weekend getaways with confidence. The 2026 Ram ProMaster City Camper represents a perfect balance between compact design, clever engineering, and practical camper living. Whether you're navigating downtown streets or parking at a remote campsite, it offers the flexibility, functionality, and comfort needed for modern mobile living. Imagine opening the rear doors of the 2026 Ram ProMaster City Camper and stepping into a space that feels much larger than its compact exterior suggests. Every design choice inside this camper is focused on maximizing comfort and utility while keeping the footprint small enough for city streets. The modular interior lets you reconfigure the sleeping, dining, and storage areas in seconds. Foldable benches double as beds, while overhead cabinets store kitchen supplies, camping gear, and personal items. Even the floor is optimized with lightweight panels and hidden compartments, ensuring that no inch goes to waste. The kitchen area is surprisingly capable for a van this size. It features a 2-burner induction cooktop, a pull-out countertop for extra prep space, a 12V mini fridge, and a compact sink with integrated water filtration. Cooking in a small camper doesn't have to be a compromise. Everything is ergonomically designed for convenience while maintaining a clean, minimal aesthetic. Cupboards and drawers use soft close mechanisms, and magnetic closures keep items secure during transit. A compact folding table fits snugly between the benches, creating a dining area that's perfect for 2 or even 3 if needed. Sleeping comfort is a priority in the ProMaster City Camper. The foldable bench converts into a full-size sleeping area with a premium foam mattress that provides excellent support. Overhead LED lights with adjustable brightness allow for reading or working without disturbing your sleep environment. Optional blackout shades ensure privacy and a restful night, while clever ventilation panels promote airflow and reduce condensation, making the camper livable in a variety of climates. On the technology side, the camper integrates smart energy management with dual battery packs, 12V and 110V outlets, and an easy-to-read power monitoring system. Optional rooftop solar panels provide sustainable energy for extended off-grid trips, allowing you to power your lights, mini fridge, and small appliances without relying on hookups. Climate comfort is also addressed with an efficient 12V heater and a compact roof vent fan that circulates air, ensuring the cabin stays comfortable in both hot and cold conditions. The 2026 Ram ProMaster City Camper also excels in mobility and handling. Its 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides adequate power for city commuting and highway driving, while the low center of gravity enhances stability when the camper is fully loaded. Front-wheel drive keeps it nimble, and optional all-wheel drive variants expand your access to gravel roads, light trails, and remote camping spots. The adaptive suspension smooths out bumps, and compact dimensions make parking and maneuvering in urban environments surprisingly easy. For adventurers who want a flexible, efficient, and practical camper, the ProMaster City Camper provides a complete solution. Now let's explore the technology, safety, and overall functionality that make the 2026 Ram ProMaster City Camper truly stand out. While its compact size may suggest simplicity, this camper integrates advanced systems that enhance convenience, security, and off-grid independence. The integrated control panel allows you to monitor battery levels, water tanks, and energy consumption at a glance. Everything is centralized, so managing climate, lighting, and appliances is intuitive, even while on the move. Optional smart devices enable remote monitoring via a smartphone app, so you can check your camper's systems from anywhere, whether you're setting up camp or traveling between destinations. Safety is another priority. Despite being a compact camper, the ProMaster City benefits from modern driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and rear-view cameras. These systems not only make city driving and highway cruising easier, but also give peace of mind when maneuvering tight spots or crowded campgrounds. The reinforced chassis and body structure provide protection in the unlikely event of a collision, while strategically placed airbags ensure maximum passenger safety. Even small details like secure cabinet latches and anti-slip flooring contribute to a safer and more comfortable living environment on the road. The camper's off-grid capabilities make it an excellent choice for those seeking adventure without being tied to campgrounds or electric hookups. Dual battery packs, energy-efficient lighting, and optional rooftop solar panels allow you to live self-sufficiently for multiple days. A compact water system with integrated filtration ensures fresh water supply, while an intelligently designed gray water tank allows convenient disposal. Despite its small size, the camper is fully capable of supporting essential systems such as cooking, heating, and refrigeration, providing comfort for short or extended trips. In terms of driving dynamics, the ProMaster City Camper offers a nimble and stable ride. Its 2.0L turbocharged engine is tuned for urban and highway efficiency, while the front-wheel drive layout provides excellent handling. Optional all-wheel drive expands access to dirt roads, beaches, and light trails, giving adventurers the freedom to explore beyond paved paths. Compact dimensions mean parking in city streets, garages, or tight campsites is simple, a key advantage over larger motorhomes. Despite its small footprint, this camper offers exceptional versatility and practical usability, making every journey effortless. Finally, the 2026 Ram ProMaster City Camper balances compact design, comfort, and off-grid freedom in a way that few other vehicles can. It proves that you don't need a massive RV to enjoy the freedom of the open road, offering a cozy interior, efficient systems, and smart safety features all in a highly maneuverable package.